Guys, look at the remember the other video I did? Look at the Jack's Wax ceramic detail. You can see how much the water actually beads up. That stuff is awesome. Which is gonna be awesome because we will actually be out at Columbus Cars and Coffee tomorrow. You probably won't see this until this video goes live, but I should have told you guys earlier, but kind of finalize the plans now. We're going to Columbus Cars and Coffee tomorrow morning. I'll be taking the Hellcat there, and yeah, so it'll be all detailed and shined up like it is. I'll do a quick detail in the morning and we'll be good to go. So, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually doing a couple interesting things. We have Ben's tires in. It's actually funny because there's a few of you guys who also watch Ben's, channel along with mine. He asked, what tire size do you think I went with on his Wrangler because they're coming in today? And somebody commented, well, in Ryan's video he said it was jealous, so you must have went with 40s or whatever. And I love the internet and how people dig like that. Like, that's awesome how they put 2 and 2 together. However, I will tell you, he did not get 40s, but I'm still extremely jealous, and you'll see why. I really need to fill that washer fluid up, but you'll see why. We're headed over there right now, and I'm gonna show you the tires he got, and I'll show you why I'm jealous. But if you guys didn't know, like I said last video, we adjusted the clutch in this truck, and it is so much better. Oh, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Because from over there on that side, they did not look that big, but dude.
Can't believe all it takes to make you jealous. I mean, you have a Hellcat and you have this big ass Cummins and whatever. To make you jealous, all it takes is a set of 38s.
No, you just say 1 inch.
Oh, well, yeah, 1 inch.
It's literally just 1 inch, but the size difference is just ridiculous. He went with 38 1350s on his 20-inch RBP Cobras. Yeah, here, let's roll them up next to them.
I did 1 more inch.
Yeah, look at this.
Oh my gosh, does that make a difference?
Oh, that is just so much bigger. Oh, fresh Toyos. Nothing better than fresh Toyos. Holy cow! Legit legit side by side. There is a huge difference. I mean, you can't really tell because we're kind of on a hill, but like in general, these are actually a lot bigger.
In person, they are freaking huge.
They are huge.
Oh my gosh!
I need like a pebble or something to hold this.
Yeah. Look at that. Does that work?
Okay, if I had 38s on mine, that would be ridiculous. I can't believe how much 1 inch makes such a difference in tire size. That is ridiculous. If I would do this setup again, I would have went with my 6.5 inch lift, the 2 inch level, the same exact wheel, the 10.5 wide, but I do the 38s. I definitely go with the 2 inch level and some 38s because that would just really set it off and make the truck so much bigger than it is for not much more money at all. Oh my goodness. Your Jeep is gonna be massive. Yeah guys, there's the difference between the 33 and the 38, but oh my goodness, this Jeep is gonna sit so much taller. Yeah, that's gonna be big. That's gonna look awesome. That's gonna be huge. Because if you're at 33s and 38, that's 8 minus 3, which is at 5. So 5, and you're gonna be sitting up another 2.5 inches, but in person, that's not that much, but that's still a huge difference when you talk about lift. Yeah, just get a couple of those.
Little blue steel action.
Yeah, perfect. This is honestly why I hate Jeeps, is because literally a 2.5 inch lift, you can fit a tire bigger than what I have, and I have 6.5 inches of lift. And not only that, if I wanted to fit that, I'd probably need 8 inches of lift just to tuck that underneath my truck, which is insane. But yeah guys, here are the 38s. These things are massive, and that's why I said in the video I'm jealous, is because they're bigger than what's on my truck, and it makes my tires look super small. But that's not for long, because obviously you guys know I'm going up to the 40s very soon. But in the meantime, kind of jealous because these things are massive, and I can't wait to see them on the Jeep. And that should be
like this sideways. It's almost as tall as my Jeep with the lift on.
Yeah. If I get my lift on before we go to Daytona, he won't have bigger tires than me. But if I do get my lift on before we go to Daytona, he won't have bigger tires than me. But if I don't, then he'll have bigger tires than this truck for a little bit, which is why I was jealous.
This is like a nice setup, like with the 38s and 20s, because people are like, oh, 20s on 37s, you're like, oh, it's a mall crawler. But like with the 38s, it's like that's a good ratio. Like,
yeah, it's a little more meat for more, kind of. Even though you're still,
only 1 inch,
even though you're, I mean, you're probably running through some mud.
Yeah, they have like 22s on 37s or 22s or whatever on 35s, and people like hate that. So when I said I was gonna get 20s, beadlocks. They're like, I don't care if they're beadlocks or not. Those are too big for a wheel. I mean, if I were to put them on 40s, the proportion would have looked right. If I got the 38s, they still look right. So it's like,
yeah. Portion, was this Thanksgiving?
Yeah, I don't know.
But yeah, I just want to show you guys 38s in person. And like I said, you obviously all know we're all about different. So one thing about being different, 38s. Hardly anybody uses 38s because there's like, oh, it's usually 37s or 40s. So stepping into the game of the 38s here. 38 1350 R20 Toyo Open Country MTs.
Does size doesn't matter?
So guys, my plan was actually gonna go from here, seeing his tires, to going to the gym. You know, close to Daytona. I got to work on that, you know, that beach body in the last 2 weeks here. Now that it's like nice and sunny out, I kind of want to get home, take the Hellcat to the gym. So I'm like, I don't know what to do. So far, chatter is still reduced in here. It sounds so much better. Clutch out. Alright, just wanted a quick drive to the gym, and the clutch is silent again, which is completely what is normally reversed. Every time I go on a quick little drive, the clutch gets louder, but it actually quiets down, which is awesome. So that clutch adjustment, 2 thumbs up. If you have a South Bend, I don't know about the Valairs, I don't know if you have hydraulic adjustment on your pedal, but if you do, kick it back a little bit. You might be a little more impressed with the, you know, the quietness of the clutch. Because I definitely am. This rocks. This is so much better than it ever was. And I mean, I was like, oh, dual disc chatter. I knew that was a thing, but I didn't realize that how quiet these clutches actually can be if you just back that pedal down just a little bit. I'm just guessing that's kind of where the, you know, your throwout bearing was and stuff like that. Oh yeah, this sounds so much better and drives like a top. Look at that sunset. Back in the truck again, guys, because tomorrow will be pretty much a predominantly Hellcat day, because we're going to Cars and Coffee for my first Cars and Coffee ever that I've actually entered something in, I guess. I don't think it's entering, it's just showing it off. That's how I honestly love my truck, and it's awesome. I can't wait for it to get done, which should be very soon. These coilovers should be here Monday, so I'm super excited for that. Guys, that sunset is ridiculous. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's just spectacular. That just looks awesome. Check it out. If you guys don't know me already, this is my favorite time of the day to drive, especially in the summer with the, you know, the sun setting just right there, golden hour. In the summer it's a little more fun when it's like 9:50 at night and it's like still hot out. Going on drives, my girlfriend, my friends, doing whatever, just hanging out. Those summertime going into night drives are the best drives ever. That's my favorite time to drive. If you guys know me, I just can't get enough. Man, guys, we got some clean rigs out tonight. Look at this. There's a Cummins here, leveled, some 22s, 35s. There's another white Cummins over there you can't see, but it's lifted. Oh, guys, I love seeing like nice done-up trucks in the wild. All right, guys. Again, if you follow me on Snapchat, you know where I was tonight once again. Another wing night. Something about chicken wings. Boneless, to be exact. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a boneless guy. I do like the traditional wing every once in a while. However, I'm a boneless guy. It's 2 nights in a row with wing night. Like I said, if you don't follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Snapchat. So guys, I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Tomorrow, like I said, we'll be at Cars and Coffee. We'll be taking the Hellcat there. My first car show with the new Hellcat. That's what we're doing tomorrow. So if you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please shoot it a thumbs up. Take care, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.